Me I want heavy music listener. And be one of them people that sometimes I wake up on a song and make you just sit down and say, Jano. Song like Money I fi make.
Money I make. Heights of fame and reach and kept. Meanwhile, the company and slept.
Mama. Sizzler.
For the 9 months you carried me through all those pain and suffering.
Beezive by Beezive.
Beezive. Hey, you know BG, the girl them going crazy for me.
But the one that strike me one day, the one that slap me hard. The one that slap me hard is Can You Stand the Rain by New Edition. One line in particular. Everybody wants somebody. You see me? Keyword, want. Me go find myself wanting somebody in my second grade and it never really turned out so good. But we talk about it. So boom. We recently moved from Cold Spring, one of the heart of South. So I try adjust to the new environment and the people them in it. Cold Spring at the time, as me did say, up on a hill. 2 truck can't pass one time and we don't have no sidewalk. Me not really bash them, but I saw it stay at the time. Just I try paint a picture. But things different you know. We move on up like a Winnie and the Jeffersons. Different location. And subsequently me have to change school. Me did finish first grade at Cold Spring. So I start circle for Campbell Primary at second grade. Yes, the circle for the way I normally see in the back of your book when you pick me I go to school. The brother there. So I'm in the place I try adjust. And within the first week, I catch a pretty young thing, a nice piece of girl. She have 2 dents in her side, she cock like a fowl and she have a frownsy little attitude. The perfect combination now, man, if you ask me. Me eyeball pick up on a coolie. And we know say that rare. A coolie with a little bit of rare staple upon them. Me find gold, that's the only way me can put it. But what really catch me at the time, I never the rare at the time. I did the hair. In them time, the hair the key to me little brief. Forget me, I say.
Yeah, boy.
In them time, the coolie was the thing for me. But now, come to think of it, coolie not really special above nobody else. I just a lousy Indian man, buck up on a woman with a 4C hair type, and abracadabra, coolie. But for some reason, them walk around like them waste product can't make granola bar. For a reason, I don't know. I can't tell you why. But anyways, back to the story. For the sake of the story, I'm going to call her Jessica. Me at a distance, I go and pre Jessica. At a distance, why? Because as I said, she have a little molly attitude about her. And me know in my head said this and one of the country girl them. Where the man who buy the bull and milk off of the truck actually get the girl.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
No. Me know a more urban place, so to speak. You have to actually talk to them girl and make them know what go on. Some women never really used to be honest.
He needs some milk.
So around 2 weeks pass. I'm thinking in a position now I can make a move. Why me feel so? Well, me buy a sharpener.
Really, nigga?
Me go up on her side when I play netball at break time.
Do me a favor, please.
Me smile at her a couple times. Me don't know, brother. For Christ's sake, me in second grade. Me carry a lunch kick go to school. I think I show this. So boom, me make a bad man step go over that to her. And me probably say something stupid like, You know, so the country boy like you. Me not know. But me remember it look like it a word because after me say it to her, she start blush and run gone to her netball friend them. Then all of a sudden them start turn on and I look at me and I giggle and all sort of that. Me the way I don't feel like a certified gallus, you see me?
Stop playing with my name. I ain't gonna say it no more. Put some respect on my name.
So a couple minutes pass. Bell ring. Lunchtime up. Gone to my class and I swear the teacher talk and me not hear a thing what she say. Cause right now a marriage me have on my brain. Skip couple hours and a time for go yard. Cause me not really too old. My older brother normally walk come pick me up from school. So I walk out of the school and my brother look at me and ask me, say,
Yo, you not find a girl yet?
in my brain, I didn't even know how man feel hype. Man feel like a god, brother. I'm glad you asked me that. So I look at him and say, yo, you mean if man not find a girl yet? You mean if man not find a girl yet, brother? You mean? Man say, yo,
You find one.
brother, me have a bee, brother. I'm to you, man.
Just show me her now.
As him said that when me look back at the school gate, at the girl that me see her walk her come down, Jessica me see her walk forward, round as ever. So me say, yo, she that, you know. Him say, oh. Say, you see cool girl as a man. I say,
My nigga.
your brother leg on my hand. Step gone straight towards the girl. And go ask the girl, say,
Yo, my friend. Are your boyfriend that?
me nah two months nothing still now, you see me? Cause me feel like say, yo, me lay down my game flat in the brother. Man thing secure in a G. Goods look behind me, brother, and look for me. And say,
Oh, that ugly boy there.
Jesus Christ. Brother,
It's
me
hard.
done. I swear me done.
Waking up every day and still being fucking ugly. That shit get old, right?
Listen, fam, me never saw shame in my entire life, fam. Cause it turns out, say, was never really there giggle to our friend them about how me charming and all of that. I laugh, was there laugh off of me, you know. And you'd feel like, say, as a brother, boss, you would have lay back and say, yo, you know what? You suffer enough already. Suffer enough. The man laugh off and me go straight to my yard from the school gate. And him is a man when he start laughing, man. The whole lane hear him, you know. Me shame like a dog. Jano. Jessica, one of the reasons why I really claim woman. You see me? People that come to me and ask me, say, yo, are you your girlfriend that? And mother just say, yo, you have to go ask her, you know. Anything she say, work with it. It's not until college me actually start claim woman, to be honest. Jessica. Big up yourself, mama.